In this video I'm going to show you how to put text next to a table in Google Docs. As you can see, I've created a table over here and next to it I have placed some text. Now what we need to do is to draw a little table quickly. So we will go to Insert, Building Blocks, and then just add a 2x3 table. We will decrease the first one to make it a little bit look like the table above, and we will fill in some numbers, some text. So what we need to do now is to decrease this one, and after that we are clicking with our right mouse button in this cell. So we will click this away quickly. So as you can see, if you click with your right mouse button in it, then you can insert a column on the right. We will do this and we will decrease this one, and after that we will click again in the cell next to it and then do the same and click on insert column on the right. Now we will make this a little bit bigger because this will be our text box, and what we are going to do now is to click inside of this cell, select the tree, and then right mouse click it and then go to merge cells. On the right we will do the same, select them and then click on merge cells. Now what we need to do now, we want to remove the linings outside of this text box. So first we need to select this one again, then we will click on this little arrow and there you will see to select the whole table. Select it. Now you have selected it, and then we will go up and click on borderline. We will make it white for now. So now you have made it white, but now you can see there is missing a line over here. So what we will do now is basically click again in it, another time on the arrow, and then choose the lowest one so that the left border will be colored, and select it. Select the line and now you will make it black. Now we only have this text box which still has the borderline around it. So we will do the same for this and then select this, click on the arrow, select the complete table over here, and now we will do the same. Also choose the border line color white. And now you can simply enter some text in it. Like if I want to copy this text into it, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. And as you can see, we have now created a table. So we can make it a little bit smaller, so it will fit our design. And as you can see, now you have created a text box beside of a table.